So this is the order that just came to me. It's 1.8 miles for $16. It did say like 16 items, but there's 3 items and there's a lot of them. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this one. All right, so we are here. I don't know if it'll let me confirm. It did. These are the items that I'm going to have to get. I thought I'd show y'all. It shouldn't take me but a few minutes. Sometimes if you're not close enough to the store, they don't let you go. Okay. So these are the only 3 items that I have to get. So it's literally right here in the front of the store. So it's 9:55. Let's see how long it takes me. All right, so that took a lot longer than I wanted it to. This Walmart, well, most of the ones here, you have to go to customer service and get your bags because they're only paper only and there's certain bags, and it just takes forever sometimes to get through the line at customer service because they don't just have some spot for us to check out at. So it took me almost 15 minutes to do this order, and now I gotta drive 6 minutes, so 20 minutes total. It's still not bad. A view of the mountains today. I don't know how to zoom in with this camera. I don't think it does. I like that about the other one. Anyhow, I shall return. Okay, I am going to be taking a break. I had to go to Kohl's and do a return. I'm waiting for my mom to meet me for lunch. So after lunch, I will get back to doing work and focus only on doing work and not running errands. So hopefully I'll be back on in about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I will get back started again. So DoorDash told me that I could stay busy with lots of offers. Lots of offers. I did get one order. I was driving, so I couldn't video it. It was a Target shopping order for like 6 items, and then to stop at a store as well, or a restaurant as well, and I just didn't want to do it. So here's the next one, $6.40 for 7.3 miles. I'm not doing that. I haven't turned Walmart on, so let's go ahead and turn Walmart on and see what happens there. I will come back when and if I get an order. All right, y'all, here's the order that I'm gonna try to get. It's $37.66 for 9.5 miles. There's 47 items to shop for. I forgot to turn off DoorDash. I think I'm actually gonna take this. I don't know, the mileage was 2.5 miles maybe for $6.25, I think is what it said. I'm gonna take this. I don't feel like spending an hour shopping, so we'll go grab this order. A 10 for an extra $50, and if you do 20 orders, you get an extra $100. So I'm probably going to go ahead and focus on Uber here in the next few minutes after I get this one delivered, because that's actually a really good incentive, even if I only get 10. So we'll see how that goes. This is one of the reasons I don't typically do Uber. We've got 8.6 miles for $3.39. No, thank you. Okay, I've had Uber on for 10 minutes, and they have literally given me, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 crappy orders. So I turned DoorDash back on. We'll see what happens and take whichever one gives me the best order. I've been sitting for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and accept this one. It's 2.4 miles for $9.38 to go pick up 6 items. Let's see what the items are. Some cat food, cat litter tray, scratching post, and more cat food, so not too bad. I will get this one and head that way. All right, I just accepted an order. It's not the best. I think it was 4.4 miles for $7. It's from Sonic. It'll be my second one for Uber. That'll mean I only need 8 more for the $50. All right, I accepted a shopping order for King Soopers. It's 15 items. 10 of them are wines. It's 4.8 miles for $13.25. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that one and get it done. Okay, while I was in there doing that shopping order, I received an extra $4.50 for a mile and a half or something. I don't even think it was that. I didn't take a screenshot or anything. I was already in there. I was prepping the flowers. So it was something easy, so I went ahead and added that to this order. So it should be a $17.75 or $18 once I'm done. Well, if I continue to do these ride-alongs, y'all are going to see that I hate apartments, especially this one I just went to. It sent me the wrong way to get in. It was an exit only, and then the exit only allows residents to leave with a key card or whatever. So I had to drive extra mileage to go and do these 2 orders. I'm very happy. My next one is also an apartment. Thankfully, it's on the 1st floor. Yes, so that wasn't a good apartment either. It was on the back side of the building with no easy route to get to their door. Thankfully, it wasn't a huge order, but it wasn't fun either. So it came to $18.25. Took me 50 minutes. Not terrible, not great. So let's see what else we can get. I'm gonna turn Uber back on. I'm still trying to get at least 8 more before midnight. All right, this is the order that I'm gonna take. It's 3.8 miles for $14.57. It is 13 items. Hopefully they're not too terrible. Let's see what they are today. I mean, some cat food, baby stuff. It's not terrible. Shouldn't take me too long, so I'm gonna head over there and get this done. Okay, while I was checking out at Safeway, I got an order from McDonald's. I think it was like $9.62 for 3.5 miles and an add-on. So I went ahead and grabbed that. I'm gonna go get the McDonald's now. I did accept the crazy order. It was 0.8 miles for $4 for Starbucks. If the lady could have gotten the bag closed, it would have been in and out, but she was having issues getting the sticker on the bag, so it took a little bit longer than I would have liked, but that's okay. It was not very many miles at all. So I will fill y'all in later. Okay, so I accepted a Sprouts order. It's 2.7 miles. It's like 10 items. I want to say it was $14 offer, and they just added another offer for 3.1 miles for $8 to go pick up a Safeway order. Hopefully it's not a huge order. And I don't know if y'all can see me. It's getting dark, so this might be the last time I'm actually talking on camera, but I will fill y'all in when I finish. All right, y'all. So Uber sent me to do a delivery for that Sprouts order, they gave me a Safeway order on top of it, and then they wanted me to drop the Sprouts order off at Safeway, and this guy was not at Safeway. His house was about 1.5 miles away. So yeah, fun times tonight. I hope this is the only issue that I have like that, because I really don't want to do this anymore. Anyhow, I will be back with some more updates.